Welcome to another episode of ESLA How To series. Today we are showing how to fit sliding runners onto your kick sled. So to get started, take the back from here, scrub it off so you can actually cut the package. Take your sliding runners out and just push them. And here we have. Here at the end we have some tape. You need to take that off like this and just tape off, and you have two left. Yeah, so take your sliding runner, take the longer side of the zip, put it to the outside of the sled, and then go to make some space for yourself, loose it up a bit, go and put it through the hole, light it up just a bit, then fold it down here, put it through the bumper, and then tighten it up. So now the end is fixed and we're going to work our way to the back. Make sure your groove is on the sled, right? So it doesn't twist or bend to anywhere. Gently start to hammer it, tap it in. And now if you're worried about damaging your runners, just use a towel or some old rag, whatever you need, and put it down to here. And then tap it like this. And same thing to the other side as well, exactly same.